guys, today I am making ragu soup with cannelloni. So let me show you how to make ragu soup with cannelloni. Remember, cannelloni is Italian recipe. So let's start. Pasta with beef in. So I'll start by cutting my onions. So after chopping your onions, you can chop it any size of your choice. Any size of your choice. You can actually chop it. Me, I like mine to be very little. So that's not very. I chop it very well. Okay, my onions is ready. I've diced my onions. I think I made this video before on my YouTube channel, but somehow they asked me to make it again, so I am making it. So this is my chopped onions. So the second step is your carrot. My carrot has been washed, remember, very clean. So just take your time to slice. Dice them. Carrot is ready, guys. I think this one is okay. So this is my onions and garlic. So let me dice mine. Celery. Some people put it like this, but I prefer to dice mine. Dice it again, more smaller, or you want it more bigger, and do your choice. It depends on what you want. Okay, my celery is ready, guys. So the celery is ready. So put our oil. Remember, you don't use too much oil to make your ragu. Alright, that is okay. So the next thing, the first thing you do, you add your chopped onions. So I'm going to be stirring. So I'll go with my celerines. The next is carrots. This food is one of Italian favorite foods. I love this food very well. Stirring. At this point, I'm going to add my beef. I'll go with my beef. I'm going to be using half of the beef. I'm not using all actually. Let me stir them. So you stir them very well. So everything is dissolved well, smash. Okay. Add some wine. I'm going to be adding some wine to evaporate it. That's my one. Next is my salt. I'll put salt, add my salt. Next, I will go and add my tomato paste. My juicy tomatoes, sorry. Juicy tomato. If I use any tomatoes of your choice, I recommend this bottle tomato. Liquid one. Wow, guys, did you see that? Did you see this soup? So at this point, I'm going to cover it to cook on low medium heat for about 20 minutes. Then our soup is ready. Cover to cook for about 20 minutes. So we're going to check our soup. Wow. Guys, the odor is nose blinding. The odor, the smell, the aroma is nose blinding. Oh my gosh. So guys, at this point, I just want to add little water to cook. Just little water. So I'll cover again. Let's see if our soup is ready. So at this point, I'm going to add little rosemary. I don't have the fresh one. You can use the dry one. I'm going to use just little to give it that nice smell. So I think our soup is ready, guys. So let's make our cannelloni right now. Guys, did you see the texture of this soup? Did you see the texture? Yeah. Delicious. Okay, so let's slice our mozzarella. So you slice your mozzarella cheese. You see it, guys? Okay. Done. So this is my bechamel. So I'm gonna mix my bechamel with, I call it bechamel now. I'm gonna mix it with my soup, guys. So I'm gonna have wonderful, delicious sauce right now for my cannelloni. So you mix everything together. So everything can combine together to give you a wonderful sauce. So wonderful, delicious, and then you see that. So this is exactly what I want. Okay. At this point we start our cannelloni. So our soup will go to the pan that I'm going to be using. So this is it, guys. This is my Parmesan cheese. Okay, Parmesan. This food I'm making it for a lot of people, about 6 people. So you might be wondering that why am I using big pot? Yeah, because I'm making it for a lot of people. That's it. Let's see you do. I have my mozzarella. So this is my cannelloni. Okay, this one is right. I'm using 2 types, so this one. So as this is, you have to be very careful when you are doing it. Very, very careful. Very, very careful. Oh my God, don't break. I don't know why they're going to bed. So that's it. So at this point, I have sides. I'm adding my soup. This is it. Soup. My cheese. It's my mozzarella. Remember, mozzarella is the cannelloni you are making. So this is how I make mine. Don't know. Or if you like this video, you can as well try my own recipe. You can try my recipe, guys. Bye. So I'm going to add the cut that part out. So I will put the dry mozzarella. So I'm going to finish it now with the dry cheese. So guys, if you love this recipe, don't hesitate to make it and send me the video in the comment section. I want to see your video, how you make your cannelloni, if you're in Italian or not. So guys, this is it. At this point, yes, I'm gonna be opening it. I set my oven in the on 180 degree. So in the next 25 minutes, our cannelloni is ready. So, whoa, guys, look at that. So guys, my cannelloni is ready.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next upload. See you in the next video.